everyone! How are you? We hope you're doing well. Welcome to English class with me, Sabrina, and my two lovely friends, Jana and Maulidea. We will accompany you to learn throughout this video. We will discuss material about descriptive text. Do you know what is descriptive text is? Well, for that, watch it until the end. After watching and following this video, we hope that you can compose paragraphs about how to describe people, places, animals, or other objects. After successfully writing it into a paragraph, we hope you can present it for presentation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, let's do a little introduction to descriptive text. We will do a brainstorming by playing the game Who Am I? You will guess the following pictures. Listen carefully, okay? Okay, let's start for the first questions. I have a crest on my neck. I have scales and spines, but not a fish. I'm still in the same family as lizards. I'm not a meat eater, but a plant eater. I can be kept as a pet by humans. I have a colorful body with various patterns. Sometimes I'm difficult to distinguish from animals that can change color. Can you guess who am I? Alright, you can guess these following pictures. A. Lizard. B. Chameleon. C. Iguana. Or D. Crocodile. Alright, have you determined your answer? The correct answer is C. Iguana. Is your answer correct?
We have done brainstorming, guys. Now we will learn descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text that describes a certain object in detail. In this text, you will describe the object clearly. It can be the size, color, shape, smell, and so on. The purpose of descriptive text is to describe an object in detail. The object can be a person, animal, thing, or place. Every text must consist of several parts that make it up, guys. The structures of descriptive text consists of two parts, namely identification and description. The identification part contains the introduction of the object to be described. Examples such as, what is that thing, or where did that thing come from? While the description part contains a more specific explanation of the object being described. For example, how is her hair, her smile, her attitude, how she behaves towards you.
Okay, now you know the meaning of descriptive text and its structure. Now we go to the next part. It is about language feature. Do you know what is language feature of descriptive text? When writing descriptive text, there are some language feature for our writing to be true. The first is, descriptive text use a specific participant. It means descriptive text has a certain object, is not common and unique. For example, Bandengan Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple, Uncle Jim, or my diary book. The second is the use of the adjective to clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful beach, a handsome man, the famous place in Medan, and etc. And the third is the use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present tense because it tells the fact of the object described. And the last is use action verb. Verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, cut, or writing, and etc.
Now we are moving to the next part. It is an example of descriptive text. The title is My Diary Book. I have a pretty book. I write in it every day. It is my friend to talk about my feeling. I also talk about my favorite friends, family, cat, doll, and anything I want to share. I always write the date where I'm writing. There is my favorite photo in its cover. This is me when I was a child. It has 30 pages. For 1 month, I share my stories. The paper is cream and thin. It's 21 centimeter times 15 centimeter. I write in it with a colorful pens. Sometimes I just draw in it when I'm lazy to write. I want to keep it well. So in paragraph 1, the structure is identification because it introduces the object generally. What is the object talk about? Alright, diary book. Next, for the paragraph 2, the structure is descriptive. In this paragraph, you must describe it in detail. The author describes its cover, its book size, and what things in it. I'm sure that you have understood all the materials. Are you ready for the next activity? Okay, now we will do in a group. There will be 2 groups. The member of group is same with the previous group. So, each group has to make descriptive text about these pictures. For group 1, we'll make descriptive text about teacher. And for group 2, we'll make descriptive text about mother. Do you get it? Okay, you have 20 minutes for discussing it. Make sure that the structure and language features have been right. Good luck!
Okay guys, now we are at the end of the video. We hope what we have explained can help you in accomplishing a good and correct description text. Thank you, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye!